I just got 7 by 7, but can I solve it? I have solved every cube from 1 by 1 all the way up to 6 by 6, but can I solve 7 by 7 without any help? So the rules are, I can't use internet like YouTube and cubing websites, and I can't use algorithms written on paper. First I made white center. The white center is done, now to the yellow one. This one's done, so now the green. Red, blue and orange one. Okay, I'm done with centers. Now the edges. I used 5 by 5 to practice parity algorithm before I performed it on 7 by 7. The parity algorithm worked, so I just solved it like 3 by 3.
Woo!
If this video gets 12 likes, I'll scramble the cube and solve it on a livestream. Click here if you want to see unboxing of this cube. Bye!